Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your profile picture on Crossword Jam application. So let's dive in straight into the video since the process is easy. Start off by launching open Crossword Jam application from your app drawer. Once you are inside the main homepage, go ahead and get to this map area and tap on your profile picture at the top of the screen. This will then open up your profile. To change your profile picture, tap the camera icon at the top. Now select a profile picture you'd like to change to from the option. You will also be able to get hold of some free avatars, or if you want to spend some of your coins, then scroll down to premium options and select one of the premium avatars you would like to choose from and give it a tap to select it. And once you are happy with your avatar, tap on the W icon at the bottom, which will spend some of your coins, and you will be able to unlock and choose the avatar. So that is how you should be able to change your profile picture on Crossword Jam. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us.